Okay, now we're going to make the roux. What we want to do is use about equal amounts of the oil, which was 1/3 of a cup that we're using, and we want to use 1/3 of the cup of flour. Here we go. So again, about half. What I'm going to do is go ahead and add that portion to it, and go ahead. We want what we want to call a blonde roux. So not too dark. There's a lot of colors of these with a gumbo. Sometimes you want almost a black roux. With this one, we want to have sort of a blonde because that's seafood. So we don't want to over flavor the thickener, which is what this is going to be. But it's definitely the base. We can add a little extra flour. Again, about 1/3 of a cup to 1/3 of a cup between flour and oil. Look at that. So we're starting to make this nice texture to it. And this will probably take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on this all the time. This is definitely not one of those that you want to go to the phone or answer the doorbell or anything. Just keep a good eye on it and see how the different textures change with this, and just keep it going. This is on high heat.